That is the convoy behind us that you could see that is bringing H.D. Ravana, the son of former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda, to the magistrate's residence over here. This is involving a lot of political issues and a huge storm that raked up Karnataka since second phase of election. That was on the 26th of April. Before that, just a few days before that, a large bunch of videos allegedly involving sexual content naming Prajwal Ravana, that is the son of H.D. Ravana, surfaced, and that immediately turned viral, involving post which a special investigation team was created. But what happened is that even just hours before that, Prajwal Ravana left the country for Frankfurt, and then what happened is that two FIRs were filed in the name of Ravana over there, H.D. Ravana, and that one being a kind of sexual assault reportedly, and the other one of abduction. And based on by a 20-year-old man saying that his mother was abducted, based on which right now his bail plea was cancelled, post which he was arrested. In fact, the special investigation team sources stated that police and SIT were keenly watching H.D. Ravana after Prajwal Ravana left the country, making sure that he will not do involved in any such activities. And almost after 45 minutes of being inside the former Prime Minister Deve Gowda's residence, Ravana walked out and he was immediately picked up. In fact, he was taken after being in the CID office, he was for questioning. As he left Fort Boring Hospital for medical inspection, he said that in the past 40 years of his political career, he has never faced such an allegation. He calls this as a conspiracy, and he says that there is no evidence. The cases has been raked up without any evidence. This seems to be the explanation that has been given by H.D. Ravana over here, and we are standing outside the judicial block over there that you see, and this is where H.D. Ravana is being brought to be produced in front of the magistrate, and we believe that as per the legal procedure, he would be sent to judicial custody because that is the normal procedure. Entire Karnataka is watching this story involving the son and grandson of former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda. However, H.D. Kumaraswamy has distanced himself completely from the issue. Yet, it is his brother and his brother's son that are involved in this allegation, and this Ravana has been arrested just 2-3 days before the third phase of election, where Karnataka 14, the last 14 constituencies, will go for polling for 2025 elections, and all this drama is unswirling in front of the judicial block in Bangalore. That is Ravana, who's over here, who after being produced in front of the magistrate, we've been informed that until 8th of May, police custody has been given. There is this Ravana who earlier stated very clearly that he believes that for in the past 40 years of his political career, so far there has been no conspiracies. But what happened is that right now he claims that this is something that is occurring without evidence, and this is what you see over here, this chaos and commotion. Ravana after being produced in front of the magistrate, it's been he was inside for nearly 1 hour and 30 minutes, and from here he's being taken out. Ravana, H.D. Ravana, the son of former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda, is what you see over here. That's H.D. Ravana. After being brought here, he's been once again taken from here after being produced in front of the magistrate. H.D. Ravana over there in that car, with proper police convoy. He's being moved from here. JDS, the party, the mighty party of H.D. Deve Gowda, and suppose the son of H.D. Deve Gowda, H.D. Deve Ravana, is being moved from the judicial block over here and is being taken with Anaga Keshav, Sagar Raj, Nagarjun, and Vijay Divyan Rajkumar. Pramod Madhav for India Today.